Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. And today I'm going to show you how to use Kundli GPT. Kundli GPT is based on Vedic astrology, which is a centuries-old system that uses the positions of the planets to predict events in a person's life. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Kundli GPT account, how to input your birth information, and how to get personalized astrology. So if you're interested in learning more about your future, or if you're just curious about how Kundli GPT works, then be sure to watch this video. We've covered an article about how to use Kundli GPT AI. Article link is provided in the description. Please don't forget to check it out. Okay, let's get started and see how to use Kundli GPT. First, visit the official Kundli GPT website. After visiting the website, you can choose your preferred language, then enter your name and provide your date of birth. Select your birthplace on the map and click Save Details. It will start to analyze your astrology details, and now you can ask any question about your future. You need to join the waiting list, and you will be accepted to use the app once you are approved. Now let's ask about my marriage life. It's providing me with the details. Please try it yourself. Now let's try the same with Google Bard. I tried the same with ChatGPT, but it didn't work for me. I don't have enough time to jailbreak ChatGPT, so we will use Google Bard. Visit the official Google Bard website. First, let's ensure that Bard knows the Indian Kundli astrology type.
You understand astrology.
And enter. Luckily, Bard knows about astrology, but we want Kundli astrology, right? So type, do you know Indian Kundli astrology, and enter. Next, enter your date of birth, time, and birthplace. Now you can see Bard will make your Kundli details. Now you can ask any question about your future. Okay, let's ask about my characteristics. Wow, it really starts telling about my character. Pretty impressive. Likewise, you can ask any question about your future. Overall, Kundli GPT is a powerful tool that can provide you with insights into your future. However, it's important to remember that it's not a substitute for professional astrological advice. If you're serious about learning more about your future, then I recommend that you consult with a qualified astrologer. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.